Are you a current DPT that's working in a job that's not really fulfilling your dreams and aspirations of where you wanted to be after PT school? Are you thinking of maybe going cash, maybe doing your own thing, but have some fears about that? Let me introduce you to Casey. He is in your situation and he has decided to make the move to open his own clinic. And I want to let him tell you why he has the confidence to do that and how he's going to do that.
So the first thing was I had my confidence from the 180 system in my clinical skill set that I could get the results for the patient myself without just treating symptoms or treating things that were not the root cause of the injury. That was number one. Number two, I got the confidence from the winner's circle in the 180 system from having the confidence that I would not fail. Like I could lean on support from Rhett and the other people in the community. Even if I did have a part where I stumbled at, that I would not completely fail, they would help me get back up, fix the problem, and be successful in business along the way.
So if you're somebody who needs a little bit of a help with your skill set, you've got some holes you want to fill, you get the confidence, the skill set, the results with that, and then you want some help coaching so you know how to make that jump to your own business, be like Casey, get with me now, let me know because spots are filling up.